summer. Are you ready for PatrickStarrr's brand new launch with One Size Beauty? Get ready to rumble! Finally, something for my oily girls, my sweaty girls, for the ones who want their makeup to last but still want that glow. No gloss, no grease, just pure glow. I am so excited for today's video because this has to be my favorite launch of One Size ever. By the way, did you guys see that campaign? The shoot was everything. It was giving glamour, lights, camera, action. Those images are gonna be in front of Sephora windows pretty damn soon all across the US. When I say the shoot, the glow, that everything that goes into a launch like this is documented. It is going to be on my behind the scenes vlog channel called PatrickStarrr IRL, which stands for PatrickStarrr in real life. So please go check it out and subscribe. I love my videos on there. It's a different side of me, my real life, my friends, my family, behind the scenes type of tea. So go ahead and check it out. And if you are back here and you guys know what's up, or you guys don't know me, hi, I'm PatrickStarrr, licensed esthetician, professional makeup artist, and the founder of One Size Beauty. If you guys don't know, we have a family of Til Dawn. Til Dawn is our iconic setting spray that locks in your whole face, Til Dawn. And then we launched SPF because protection from the sun is non-negotiable. And then we have glitter. If you guys remember, we launched a few glitter sprays, brown sugar, the golden sparkle one you guys went insane for. But now we have our newest one called Til Dawn, the Bronze Veil Setting Spray. We have two brand new shades here called Caramel Glow and Cocoa Glow. And I know you guys are asking, PatrickStarrr, another Til Dawn? Why, yes, because when something works, you guys have to give the girls more ways to wear it. And this one just does something so special our Til Dawn or setting sprays have never done before. By the way, shout out to Powder Melt, shout out to Oil Sucker Liquid Body Paper Spray. You guys all love. We know what we're good at One Size, and I'm so proud that we're finding more innovative ways to expand what we're good at. And really quick, I want to talk about why we made this. And I will be honest, this was very hard. To have some sort of like highlighter as pigment in a bottle, in a spray, is very, very tricky. It clogs the nozzle so easily. You're trying to find this perfect marriage, the exact particle size when we're working in product development and the exact nozzle that will dispense evenly, because in most cases, to get this effect, you have to strike that right balance, and I feel like we did it, and it gave us the effect that we wanted, and I am so freaking happy and pleased. I know that my girls out there, the makeup artists, the brides, the clients, the fans, the people who want this is gonna be so in love with this because you guys can get into it. It's on my face, it's on my body. I'm gonna talk about it real soon. This took us so long to get right because a setting spray's job is to lock our makeup. This literally does that. It gives you 16-hour wear, but I wanted to give you something a little bit more. I wanted to give a veil of bronze, a radiant, lit from within type of glow. And I will say, I have been a makeup artist way back in the day. I was doing weddings, quinceañeras, birthday parties. You know, I worked in a counter before. The go-to glow is to put on moisturizer or mix with pigments or put on this kind of like liquid body glow type of oil or these balms, and that don't sit right with me, especially if you have your hair down, it can stick. This is glowy, it's not glittery. I want you guys to think of skin back from vacation. It's not like a disco ball. We saved that sparkle for brown sugar, that glitter, and we have two shades. We have Caramel Glow for fair to medium skin tones, and we have Cocoa Glow for tan to the deepest. And at One Size, everybody is invited to glow. So I'm gonna put my esthetician hat on for a second. So to set makeup and glow without going greasy or glittery, we needed 4 things to happen at once. So what this spray does is 1, blur the skin. A bronze pigment blend of coated powders act like a soft focus filter in real life. 2, warms it up. Those same coated pigments lay down a sun-kissed veil, buildable so you can stay in control. 3, this does not dry you out. There is a coconut glow blend with coconut water which hydrates and softens while it sets. And last but not least, number 4, it controls the shine. Obviously on Til Dawn, it locks it down. There's witch hazel which keeps the oil in check, and a flex hold polymer blend that seals it all in. Sweat-proof, waterproof, transfer-proof for up to 16 hours. And that is the technology behind our on Til Dawn Bronze Veil Setting Spray. Okay, so really quick, I want to show you how to wear it. And here's the most exciting part about this. This is for the face and for the body. I have been obsessed with like that red carpet glow and how to get it without sacrificing your makeup breaking down or it being greasy or sloppy or slippery, slidey. I love it for the face, especially around this forehead area, the tops of the cheeks. Do you guys see my skin? It is giving glow. I also have it on my hands. This type of product is for the girls, the oily girls, the sweaty girls, that want their makeup to last, but also want that beautiful glow. No gloss, no grease, just glow that literally stays. Oh, I forgot to mention, the first time I wore this out in public was at Kylie Jenner's launch party for her King Kylie event. I had like rhinestone denim turban, and then I had this white top, and I didn't get a spray tan, so I wanted this like bronze veil, and I had one of our finalized samples, so I said, you know what, let me step out. There's gonna be cameras, paparazzi there, let me spray it. When I tell you, it looked so freaking good. I looked bronze, I looked tan, I was giving glow. When I got home, I was so pleased with the photos and how it looked on my body, especially at an event with the Kardashians. I was like, let me see what's up with my brand new launch coming out this summer. And when I tell you I was not disappointed, I wasn't. So that event and wearing it that night literally confirmed it for me, and it made me even more excited. So, sorry, I got so distracted. Let me show you how to wear this. So you want to shake it really well and hold it 10 to 12 inches away. Close your eyes, and you want to spray it in a circular motion for a light veil. If you guys want to build more, you're more than welcome to. And on the body, the same thing. The chest, the shoulders, the décolletage, the arms. If you want that lit from within a moment, let it dry and let it set. I will say, if you guys want that extra hold, feel free to spray in that on Til Dawn after. If you want that glass like moisturized look, spray the powder milk glass setting spray. If you want to suck up that oil, you guys know the tea. Spray the oil, suck in liquid blotting paper, spray it on top. If you guys want to protect you from the sun, then spray on Til Dawn with SPF. Like, you see what I did there? Y'all see? But what this spray does without all the rest is it sets, it bronzes, it blurs, it glows, and the best part about this, it's not gonna go anywhere. As you guys can see, I'm in Turks and Caicos or Athens or the coast of Tamarindo, Mexico at the Four Seasons, I don't know. But this is how it fits into your life. You can wear this at festival season. You can wear it at a wedding. You guys can wear it on vacation. You guys can wear it if you just wanna look tea and glowy by the pool for golden hour, especially if you have a slit in your dress for prom or for the club, if y'all still go out to the club. Any moment that you guys want to look sun-kissed and stay that way all day, that's when you wear it. I will shout out that it is vegan, it is cruelty-free, it is paraben-free, dermatologist tested, sensitive skin friendly, and non-comedogenic. It won't clog your pores, and you guys can literally glow and spray with zero guilt. Also really quick, I know we have like a lot of launches, and one size is just like this big engine of a brand that has blown up. We have launched globally in Europe, in the Middle East, and future regions later this year. But I just want to take a second to say thank you guys so much for showing the love to one size. We launched in 2020. It is now 2026, and the love that you guys have given this brand is so unreal. The customers, the influencers, the fans, even the new, even all of you guys out there that are new to one size that shop from us, from TikTok, Instagram, Facebook, wherever, from anywhere. I just want to say thank you from the bottom of my heart. From Til Dawn to Powder Melt to the Ultimate Setting Powder, whatever you guys have purchased, big or small, like the support literally means everything, and it is literally beyond my wildest dreams to not only have a brand, but to have products that I personally love that you guys take out from your bags to show me whenever I bump into any of you guys in person, and I am forever, forever grateful. So the Til Dawn Bronze Veil Setting Spray officially launches June 29 at Sephora and onesizebeauty.com. It retails for $34 in Cocoa Glow and Caramel Glow. Please, please, please tag me with the hashtag Til Dawn Bronze. I see all your posts, especially on TikTok. I hope you guys love this launch as much as I do. I can't stop staring at my body, and I'm excited that I actually am finally getting to reveal it to you guys. And if you guys aren't already subscribed, please subscribe to me here on YouTube at PatrickStarrr. Follow me on all social media, and also follow our brand page. We are climbing to 1 million followers on TikTok and on Instagram, so please follow us there. I love you guys all so much. Please don't forget that makeup is a one size fits all, and I hope to see you all in my next video. Bye.